This prime oceanfront property is located in the quintessential seaside town of Knysna, along South Africa's famous garden route. The site boasts an impressive 80 linear meters of direct ocean frontage, with 2 unspoiled beaches on either side overlooking Buffalo Bay. The current infrastructure consists of 6 2-bedroom sea-facing villas, a 1-bedroom garden cottage, as well as a 200 square meter communal building. The new development opportunity for Phase 2 of this project is approved and allows for the construction of 6 additional 2-story villas, an infinity pool and clubhouse, as well as the refurbishment of the existing villas. This exquisite property is ideal for a boutique lodge, exclusive family or corporate compound, a retreat facility, bespoke residential community, or a luxury residence. George Airport is close by and is serviced by multiple airlines daily. It is a short 50-minute flight from Cape Town International Airport. The area is renowned for its natural beauty, charming and vibrant waterfront, abundant marine and animal life, pristine beaches, as well as extensive outdoor activities and attractions, including the Jack Nicklaus designed Samola Golf Estate and the Conrad Pazuna Resort and Club. Contact us today to learn more about this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.